guys, welcome back to the channel, and this time I don't have toothpaste all over my face like I did in the last one. So stupid. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off with my friends over at GTA Exotics have a reward out if someone spots. So they have a 1016 Industries wide body Uris that was rented and stolen. They have arrested the people that have stolen it. It's this one right here. And yes, it's 1016 Industries, not Novitec. I had that argument with somebody on Instagram, and when the owner tells you that it's 1016 Industries, it's 1016 Industries. So, beautiful, beautiful Uris. And like I said, they have arrested the people that have stolen it, but the Uris is still out there. If anybody spot, now the 1016 Industries wide body kit is very distinctive, so it's very easy to spot. So to all my car spotting friends, if you're out and you see it, please contact me. Please contact GTA Exotics. I'll put a link to their Instagram in the description. And let's bring this Uris back to them, you guys. It's that's gotta hurt. Like, you know, after my situation with my life savings being completely robbed from me, that feeling of violation is not fun. It's still keeps me awake and gives me anxiety. Just when I thought I was over the anxiety of my accident, this has to happen. So I'm not going to go on about that. This is more about the Uris. So like I said, if you guys see it, there's a reward. Please let GTA Exotics know if you see this Uris out and about. It may have a wrap, maybe different wheels or something, you never know, but the kit, take a close look at the kit. I'll put a picture of it again right here, and imprint that in your brain, and so you know. Okay guys, let's keep going. So I'm saving my banked footage for a little bit further down the road. This is like all the best SVs and SVJs. It's two of my favorite cars on the planet. Yes, the Challenge Stradale is a very big dream car of mine, but I do love SVs and I do love SVJs, and this year was big for both. So let's get to it, you guys. So Novitec ones, just SVJ Roadsters, you know, you name it, it's going to be in this video, you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please grab a t-shirt if you want. The store is now up and running. And like I said, you guys, the likes always help. Please, it's just a quick click away, and right down here, you know, it just takes a quick second to click. I hate having to ask, but yes, it does help with the algorithm. Okay guys, let's get going. DMC Aventador. Oh my god. Forever. Wow. Oh, it's so good to see it. What's up, dude? Oh. Okay, have a good night, man. It's good to see you, dude. Oh.
Oh my god, my favorite SV. Nice. Parking up. It's twice now we've seen this Hermes Aventador. Look at this, so nice, dude. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Look at this. Oh my god. Waiting for a burger and a yellow Performante Spider.
Nice spoiler. Why did you get the new one?
Who it is? No way. Oh no, it's caught behind a car. Back around. Ooh, that's sick. No, that's a newer. Oh my god, it's my favorite one. Oh, he's got a channel. He's got a YouTube channel. Okay, SVJ, Huracan Performante, and a Huracan. Oh my god. Oh, no way. Oh, I saw this coming in earlier. So sick. Oh, it's not turning. Looks amazing. Wow. SVJ taking off. Thank you. Nate, god damn it. Forsteiner Huracan. Nice. Performante Spider. Door S. Oh, Novitec. Novitec Aventador S. White Performante Spider. Sick. I missed it. Oh my god! Aventador S. Sick, dude. Sick. Oh. Oh my god! Holy! Oh my god! Back. Oh my lord. Oh, and the Hermes. And the Hermes.